Hey guys, I am here to do, first time I've ever done this on my channel. I am going to do a kit lineup for not only November, but also December, because I love Christmas and I mainly extend Christmas for an extra couple weeks in November as well. So I just thought I would pair it into one video. So I'm not like the best at these videos either. So we're just gonna experiment and experience this together. So first we have my first November kit. This is gonna be the week of, let me get my calendar out. That would be very helpful. Maybe. So this is gonna be the week of the 1st through the 7th, which we've actually passed. We're living in right now. And this is the kit that my daughter picked out. I always let her either pick a birthday kit to make it birthday or pick something that she loves for her birthday. So she picked Full Moon from Caress Press, which is got these really pretty blues and purples. This came out with the Halloween stuff. But this was her choice, so we went ahead and did that. Again, love the kind of moody tones of this. It has an extra double box. I bought this Fashion Girl because my daughter has brown hair, and I got the 15mm strip, which lightens, it pulls more off of that lilac color in the kit, which I like too. That way it's not like overly like overkill dark. So foil, we are going with silver. So for like my base items, I will be doing this bow as the main, and then we will be doing twinkle format from SPC for like glitter headers and like sidebar headers, and I will also be using this 15mm strip. So I probably won't be using a ton of like the box overlays, which that's fine with me. I mostly pulled it for like the accents, so like the glitter headers, washi, whatever, because I did get a ton of Planner Choco overlays. These are like kind of mystic themed, so these are the moons with like the floral patterns. There's some butterflies, the moons, and little stars, which I could definitely, now that I'm looking at this, I might change up the washi. We'll see. Little deco bits, and then we have the full box overlays that are moons with the little floral bits, and then we have, I think I got 3 or 2. No, just 1. I'm just tripping. So I got the quote. So it says, "Stay wild, moonchild, never stop looking up. I love you to the moon and back, and shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll still land among the stars." The moon like framed box. These cool ones here with like the moth, potion bottle, and then this one. So we'll have quite the time trying to pick out overlay boxes, but that's quite all right. I am excited for it, but like I said, the washi probably will change, might change, we'll see. So that is the 1st through the 7th, and then we're gonna go on to, the problem is I don't have my one planner dated, so then the next week for the 8th through, God, this is gonna drive me nuts now. Let me pull out my calendar from my other spot. Hold please. Okay, so this one is going to be the 8th through the 14th, and we are going to be starting Christmas festivities, and we are going to be using Winter Moon from Caress Press. So back-to-back Caress Press, back-to-back kind of like moon vibes, which I don't hate. I did not use this art last year, so I'm really excited that she brought it back this year. Just has like an earthy kind of fun pink and green vibe, which the colors, I don't like. Now that I'm looking at this, the red is kind of like whoo, crazy out there, because the red in here is a little more like dusty. So I don't know how much I trust my foil choice now, which stinks. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know your thoughts, because I did pick out this, I believe it was called like Sunset, like Sparkly Hollow. It's like a pink, rusty kind of color. It has like a shift, and it is the star format. So I thought that the star format would be perfect with this kit. But again, I'm second guessing my choices now that I look at it. Let me know what you guys think. I do love it though, and I've been like hoarding this foil because it's a really gorgeous foil, but I've never known what to use it with. So that is Winter Moon. And then we're going on to the November 15th through the 21st. That week will be, we tripling up on Crest Press here, guys. Crest Press Brunchmas. So another one very red forward with the pinks and the green. I feel like I kind of picked a lot of the same color schemes this year, and it's just beautiful. I love it. So this one, I am 100% sure on my foil selection for this. And I picked matte bronze from Scribble Prints Co. because I think that would be beautiful. It's kind of like, I don't know what I'm going for, but so that is Brunchmas. I'm not like going like super in depth as everybody else does, because you know I've hauled these kits, but I'm sorry if you guys are missing that. So we're gonna put those three to the side, give myself a little room. The next week is Thanksgiving week, so it's going to be November 22nd through the 28th. And this, I picked another like kind of non-traditional. It's not branded as Thanksgiving, but I loved this kit. So this is the August Mystery from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I love the tones of this, the orange, the like tealy color that was brought in, and I like the pumpkin patch. I mean, it has a Bath & Body Works bag, which a lot of people shop at Bath & Body Works on Black Friday, so, and it has a pumpkin pie, so I'm good with it. These colors are just beautiful. Again, Pink Diamond Planner Co. always knocks it out of the park. So for foil, we are going with traditional gold foil. So I have this 15mm strip from Planner Choco. I also have some deco bit pieces here. Some of these like pumpkins with the vines, these like more decorative pumpkins, the little like confetti bits. And then this, I think, was where I went hard because I couldn't decide. So the framed pumpkin boxes. Then we have like two of the confetti styles. And then 3 different quote boxes. So this one's more pumpkin theme. I love like the farmer's market one here, and the pumpkin spice and everything nice is so cute. And then this one is her Thanksgiving, and I thought this one would be beautiful with it, like it kind of fits the feel. And then this one too, because again I couldn't decide. So like I said, I went ahead with the just traditional gold because I thought that would be most complementary with the colors in that kit. Next, we are into December, so this is going to be November 29th through December 5th. And I am so excited about this kit. I'm using the Santa Claus from Scribble Prints Co. So this is a nice deep, like, I just love the colors, and Santa Claus is one of my favorite movie franchises Christmas wise. So I knew exactly when this kit came out that I wanted to use, because I think this was released in the same week, is the Star Gold Star foil. So it's star format, but it's like star gold as well. So I think that's a perfect match made in heaven. I'm super excited to use this one. So that is the 29th through the 5th. Next, another fun one. This will be the December 6th through the 12th. And we have, what did I do here? Oh, that was great. Hold, please. Like, okay, we'll just, that's what we're gonna do with that. Okay, sorry, we had technical difficulties. So, the Grinch, and this is the newer animated Grinch. I love this. Again, artwork, love it. Can't really say anything else about it. And this has that like bright, punchy, fun Christmas. Like, not like all the other kits weren't fun, but it's just very bright, vibrant, punchy. So when I saw this, I'm like, okay, I know what's gonna go with this, and I know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what she called this. It's like a lime green, sparkly color. And it is in the Twinkle format. And I am so excited. I think that this is such a great match. And I did have a couple like sampler things from last year that I'm gonna pull in with it, because I think that it's gonna look so good. Unfortunately, this next week we are kind of up in the air. I'm either going to use, I don't know, I haven't really decided, but this is my stepdaughter's birthday week. It's December 13th through the 19th, and I'm either going to use Merry and Bright or another like of the pinky artwork that came out, but I haven't got that and I haven't decided, so we're gonna just pause on that one, and we're gonna go to Christmas week's kits. And we have another Pink Diamond Planner Co. And this is Fa La La. I just hauled this, so I think this is going up before the haul. So, surprise. Or I don't know how I'm going to do, how this is going to work. Maybe I'll put it up after. But I love this. Again, it's kind of a more earthy toned colors, but what I did to kind of brighten it up a little bit with this is I'm going to pull in red sparkly foil, because excuse me, I love red sparkly foil anyways, and I just thought that it would look really nice, especially like for Christmas week. Let's do it up with the red, and I really think that it's like such a good match. So super excited for that one. And then finally is, what is this one? December 27th through whatever day that is. This is my New Year's kit. Sorry. I'm going again out of ordinary, and I am using the Caress Press September Mystery. This is the Murder Mystery kit. While it's definitely fall, or you could have used it for Halloween, I thought this would be such a fun, cool thing to do for New Year's. So it's just deep reds, blue. I like that punchy orange in there. Super excited for this one. I just think it's gonna be stunning. And I am going to just 100% play it up for the Murder Mystery, and I am going to use her Murder Mystery foil bundle in the gold. and I'll put a New Year quote on it or something, quote box on it, and call it a day. I've really tried to stay true to the fact that I want to do kits that I just love, not necessarily seasonally. And for me personally, I've never been a huge fan of New Year's artwork, like, because it's just not my thing. It's too like glam for me. While this is really glam, this is also like my quirky kind of side. So that is the lineup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, kind of quick, kind of casual. Apologize for missing one kit, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I am kind of wanting a little bit of content to kind of hold you guys over until I get my situation figured out, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.